What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be doing a little drive along with me video. I have to fill up my methanol because I am low on that. Probably go get some E40 at the gas station and do a little mixing with 91 and E85, and then probably do some pulls and some revs, some exhaust sound clips for you guys, and that's about it. All right, I guess let's attempt to get this down. Gotta fill up on methanol before I go for my drive because it is empty. Oh, I'm not strong enough for this. Here's another plus to having nails as a girl. Oh God. Oh my God. Well, I am so stupid. Why did I think that I was gonna stop pouring? Why did I think that? Guys, look at the mess that I just made in here. Oh my goodness, Autumn. Oh my gosh. All right, now I'm gonna get a little cold start for you guys. All right, I guess let's get this show on the road, shall we? Should I leave windows down today? I think, but I just wanna make sure my quality is good. Okay, we're gonna put it in sport. Some downshifts. Yeah, let's try windows up for a little and see how that goes. Am I ever gonna be able to go? Come on, folks. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can hear the whine in the video, but she's whining. That's one thing I love about this car since I've modded it, is the whine sounds so much better than stock, and I am just obsessed with it. Oh, my blinker's on. Alright, so we just got to the E85 station. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with regular 91 first. So we're at... Did I just lose my card? Oh my God, it's still in there? Guys, I thought I lost, okay, let's not show that. I thought I lost my card and it was literally still in the machine. Why? How do I do these things? Oh, that's spilling. Guys, it's like spilling. I don't know, do I want to use this? Oh my God. Should I go to a different pump? Oh, okay. All right, so this literally just spilled all over the floor. Tried putting it in there, it just kept pouring out. So we're gonna go to this side. We're not pouring out this time. There we go. All right, so now that I smell like ethanol, and it has drenched my hand. Oh yeah, my hands are so dry now. Well, I ended up moving to the other station and the other pump. I ended up moving to the other pump. and filled up the rest of the way with E, and this is the first startup. It's not exactly E40, I think it's probably more like E30, but it is what it is. And there's that. So now we're gonna go on a little drive. All right, guys, so as you can tell, it is a different day now. So yesterday didn't really go as planned because there was so much traffic on the road. I do not know what's going on, but there was literally so much traffic to the point where I could not do anything. I could not do pulls. I had like no room to do anything. So we're gonna go back out again today. I have Moo here with me. So I'm gonna try going back out again today and doing a little more driving for you guys. All right, back to driving we go. Wish me luck. Hopefully this works out this time. Well, that didn't go as planned. Oh my God. All right, well now we know that my camera cannot handle that. So, that was funny, actually. I did just pass a cop, but we're gonna do a little pull. All right, slow down, slow down, slow down. All right. We're gonna get onto the freeway and hopefully I can do another pull getting on the freeway if there's no traffic. Fingers crossed. Well, that was fun. I bet you guys it sounds way better with the windows up because I'm pretty sure the wind kind of ruined the video when it was down. This light to get onto this other freeway is taking damn near forever. Whoa! All right, now we got a good drive ahead of us. Actually gone this route. I haven't gone this route before. So this is the 303 and it's kind of fun out here because it's kind of like windy roads, really out in the middle of like nowhere. So it's pretty fun to be able to drive the car today. I guess that is about it for today's little driving video. I just came to a complete stop at a red light and my brake feels a little mushy to me. So I think I've had enough driving for today. But yeah, that is about it for today's video. And stay tuned for more content. I have a lot of plans coming. I have a lot of plans coming with the ZL1, so I'm gonna start a new little build series on the ZL1 for some more power, and announcing a big sponsor with that one. And then also lots of work to be done on the G80 M3. I have parts sitting at home. We got an exhaust on the way, so there's gonna be a lot of fun things happening on YouTube soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe and have the best day as always.